Welcome back to my channel. Some of us always get bitten by mosquitoes even if we form part of a large group of people. Why do mosquitoes ignore certain people and bite other people? Are you one of those who constantly have to suffer while others enjoy their holidays? You do not understand why all the mosquitoes always come after you. Following are 8 reasons why mosquitoes always target you even when you amongst other people. Keep watching. Reason number 1. An active lifestyle such as gym, exercise, physical labor increases heart rate, body temperature, and perspiration. These things attract mosquitoes to you. Mosquitoes use body heat as a means of honing in on a target. Mosquitoes are also attracted to the lactic acid and the ammonia in sweat. Reason number 2. Mosquitoes are very comfortable in or near dark environments. Dark color clothes will attract mosquitoes. Reason number 3. Your arms and legs are exposed with short sleeve clothes. You then become a soft target for mosquitoes. Reason number 4. The carbon dioxide that you exhale attracts mosquitoes. Mosquitoes have nerve cells that detect carbon dioxide in the air that we exhale. Pregnant women or people consuming too much alcohol emit more carbon dioxide. Reason number 5. In a study it was found that people with type O blood is more prone to be bitten by mosquitoes. Reason number 6. Mosquitoes are very comfortable in external or internal dark environments and will stick around in such areas. Mosquitoes will hide in dense vegetation. Oh yes, please share, like and subscribe for more interesting content. Let's continue with reason number 7. Reason number 7. Mosquitoes are attracted to flashlights. Don't keep flashlights on for too long during the night. Reason number 8. An open glass of water next to you will immediately attract mosquitoes. One. If you have an active lifestyle, do the following. Take a bath or shower immediately when you return from the gym or sports game. 2. Rather wear white or light-colored clothing instead of dark colors to deter mosquitoes. 3. Wear long-sleeve shorts and shirts to cover your arms and legs. This will discourage mosquitoes from biting you. 4. Stay away from alcohol to reduce your carbon dioxide emissions. 5. Nothing that you can do about your blood type, but take the other precautions. 6. Paint your room walls white color and use light color furniture, bedding and curtains. This will discourage mosquitoes from staying in your room. Redesign your garden to reduce too much shade and dark areas. 7. Do not keep any flashlight on next to you. Only use flashlights for a short period of time if necessary. Flashlights to be used for emergencies only. 8. If you do need water at your bedside, cover the glass properly. This also applies to fruit juice and foods with high sugar content. Now you know what to do to stop mosquitoes from targeting you. Just a reminder to please subscribe not to miss part 4 or any other future updates. Thanks for watching.